Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the second part of the video French accents. In our last video, we have already discussed accent aigu, accent grave and accent tréma. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start with the fourth accent. This is called accent tréma. Accent tréma. And we are denoting this accent with two dots. Correct? Like this. And in English, we call it tréma accent. Right? This accent is applicable to E, I, and U. E, I, and U. Right? So, what does it do? What it does? Whenever there are two accents, usually we don't pronounce second vowel. Right? Whenever there are two vowels, we don't pronounce the second vowel. But with this accent, we need to pronounce that vowel also. For example, this is called mais. Mais. If we remove this from here, it will become like this. M-A-I-S. It is may only. May. But when you put this accent here, it will become mais. Mais. Which means corn. Right? Second example, naive. Naive. Why we don't call it naive? Because accent is there. And we need to read this vowel also. So, which makes it naive. Naive is same naive in English. Noel. 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 Christmas. Noel. Correct? And last accent is accent cédille. Accent cédille. We are denoting it with C, and in the foot we put this. Right? This sign. We call it cédille. In English we call it Cedilla accent. This is applicable to C only, but with the combination of CA, CO, and CU. Right? Without this accent, this is ka, but with this accent, it will become sa. Right? Sa, so, su. Without this accent, it will be ka, ko, q. We do not put it with CI and CE. Why? Because there is already sir sound, like C and sir. So there is no need to put this accent with CI and CE. That's why it's applicable with CR, CO, and CU. Correct? Examples: garçon. Garçon. Garçon is boy. Français. Français. French. Ça va. Ça va. Ça va means how are you? Ça va. Garçon. Français. Ça va. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's discuss few examples. Cette coïncidence. 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 Cette coïncidence est incroyable. Cette coïncidence est incroyable. This coincidence is incredible. Cette coïncidence est incroyable. Correct? Accent? Accent? This one. Tréma. Je serai à Delhi pour Noël. Je serai à Delhi pour Noël. Which accent is this? Accent grave. Noël. I will be at Delhi for Christmas. Je serai a dali au Noël. Noël. Right? Next example. Il a l'air naïf. Il a l'air naïf. He seems to be naive. Or he seems naive. Next example. Il existe de nombreuses variétés de maïs dans le monde. Nombreuses variétés, variety. Variety of many varieties. Maize, corn, monde in the world. There are many varieties of corn in the world. Right? There are many numbers of corn in the world. Correct? Number of varieties of corn in the world. Il existe de nombreuses variétés de maïs dans le monde. Right? I hope accent tréma is clear. Okay. Let's move to accent cédille or cédilla. Le français est une bonne langue. Le français est une bonne langue. French is a good language. Français. Le français est une bonne langue. Correct? Comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? C'est un bon garçon. C'est un bon garçon. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. C'est un bon garçon. C'est une leçon de français. C'est une leçon. Lesson. It's a French lesson. C'est une leçon de français. Right? C'est une leçon de français. Correct? Okay. Let's discuss how to write these accents on the keyboard. So these shortcuts are applicable to Windows only. Right? To write tréma accent, Control Shift plus column and vowel. Control Shift column vowel. Right? To write Cedilla accent, Control, comma and C. Control, comma and C. Right? I hope accents are clear now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.